Hello everyone, this is Rupesh. Today I'll be discussing heterocycles containing phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. That is, these are the 15th group elements in the periodic table. Coming to the first one, let's see heterocycles containing phosphorus. That is, 5-membered ring systems containing one phosphorus atom. This is phospholane and this is one phenyl phospholane, that is phenyl in the first position. This one oxo, one phenyl phospholane. This is phospholine which has one double bond, phosphol which has two double bonds. Phospholane is an phosphorus analog of pyrrolidine, and here phosphol is an phosphorus analog of pyrrole, that is nitrogen is replaced by phosphorus atom. Coming to the first one, phospholanes synthetic method starts with 1,4 Grignard compounds of 1,4-dibromobutane reacts with dichlorophenyl phosphine to give 1-oxo 1-phenyl phospholane. This is 1,4-dibromobutane reacts with magnesium to form Grignard reagent, that is this is an organomagnesium compound. This reacts with dichlorophenyl phosphine to give 1-phenyl phospholane. This on oxidation with N2O4 we get 1-oxo 1-phenyl phospholane. As I said, this is an organomagnesium compound. This carbon possesses a slight negative charge. This attacks phosphorus with the elimination of one chloride ion, and again this carbon has slight negative charge which attacks this phosphorus with the elimination of chloride ion to form a cyclic phosphorus compound. Coming to the next method, 1,4-dibromobutane reacts with tetraphenyl diphosphine to give 1-oxo 1-phenyl phospholane. That is 1,4-dibromobutane reacts with tetraphenyl diphosphine. We get phosphonium ion. This bromide ion, which is eliminated in the first step, attacks this phosphorus with the breakage of this bond, which neutralizes the positive charge on phosphorus. We get this one, and again the lone pairs on phosphorus attacks this carbon with the elimination of a bromide ion. We get a cyclic phosphonium ion. This on reaction with base we get this compound, and the lone pairs on oxygen shifts to form a double bond with the elimination of a benzene to form 1-oxo 1-phenyl phospholane. Coming to the next one, phospholines synthetic method. 1,3-dienes react with dichlorophenyl phosphine to give 1-oxo 1-phenyl phospholane. This is 1,3-diene reacts with dichlorophenyl phosphine. That is a lone pairs on phosphorus attacks this carbon with the shift of pi electrons to form a double bond here, and this double bond comes and attacks the phosphorus to give a 5-membered ring with phosphorus which has a single double bond. This on reaction with base we get this compound, that is base attacks this phosphorus with the elimination of one chloride ion, and again the lone pairs on oxygen shifts to form a double bond with the elimination of chloride ion. We get 1-oxo 1-phenyl phospholane. Coming to the second method, 1,3-dienes react with dichloroethoxyphosphine to give 1-oxo 1-chlorophospholene. That is lone pairs on phosphorus attacks this carbon, the pi electron shifts to form a double bond, and this double bond comes and attacks this phosphorus to form a 5-membered cyclic phosphorus cyclic ring with phosphorus. The lone pairs on oxygen shifts to form a double bond with the elimination of chloride ion, and the eliminated chloride ion attacks the ethyl group, which neutralizes the positive charge on oxygen to form 1-oxo 1-chloro phospholine. Coming to the next one, phosphols. Synthetic methods. 2,4-hexadiene reacts with phenylphosphine in the presence of phenyl lithium to give 1-phenyl-2,5-dimethyl phosphols. That is, lone pairs on phosphorus attacks this carbon with the formation of a carbene ion. This carbene ion abstracts one of the proton which is attached to phosphorus to form this compound, and again the lone pairs on phosphorus attacks this carbon with the formation of a carbene ion. This indeed abstracts a proton which is attached to phosphorus to form a dimethyl substituted 1-phenyl phosphol. Coming to the second method, 1,3-butadiene reacts with dibromophenylphosphine to give quaternary salt which undergoes dehalogenation in the presence of base to give 1-phenyl-3,4-dimethyl phosphol. That is, lone pairs on phosphorus attacks this carbon, the pi bond shifts, and this double bond attacks this phosphorus to form a 5-membered ring, and the base abstracts this proton which is acidic here to form a double bond with the subsequent elimination of a bromide ion, and again one more equivalent of base is employed which abstracts proton with the formation of a double bond here and the shift of pi electrons and subsequent elimination of a bromide ion, we get 1-phenyl-3,4-dimethyl phosphol. Coming to the 6-membered ring systems containing one phosphorus atom. This is phosphorinane, this is 1-phenyl phosphorinane, this is 1-oxo 1-phenyl phosphorinane. Phosphorinane is an phosphorus analog of piperidine. Synthetic methods. 1,5-Grignard compounds of 1,5-dibromopentane reacts with dichlorophosphine to give 1-phenyl phosphorinane. That is, dibromopentane reacts with magnesium to form Grignard reagent. This is an organomagnesium, as I told before. This carbon possesses slightly negative charge. This attacks this phosphorus with the elimination of one chloride ion, and again this is an organomagnesium moiety. This carbon possesses a negative charge carbene ion, attacks this phosphorus, the elimination of one more chloride ion to form a cyclic compound containing phosphorus, which is a phosphorinane. Coming to the next method, 1,5-dibromopentane reacts with tetraphenyl diphosphine to give quaternary phosphonium salt, which further reacts with NaOH to give 1-oxo 1-phenyl phosphorinane. That is, tetraphenyl diphosphine reacts with dibromopentane. The lone pairs on phosphorus attacks this carbon, the elimination of bromide ion, and the eliminated bromide ion attacks the other phosphorus with the breakage of this phosphorus bond. With the neutralization of this positive charge, we get this compound. The lone pairs on phosphorus which attacks this carbon with the elimination of bromide ion and the formation of cyclic phosphonium ion. This on reaction with base which attacks the phosphorus and neutralizes the positive charge to form this compound, and the lone pairs on oxygen shifts to form a double bond with the elimination of an benzene ring. We get 1-oxo 1-phenyl phosphorinane. Coming to the next one, heterocycles containing arsenic and antimony. Let's see 5-membered ring systems containing one arsenic or one antimony atom. If there is an arsenic atom, then it is called arsolane. If it is antimony, it is called stibulane. And once again, this is the arsenic analog of pyrrolidine. This is antimony analog of pyrrolidine. Coming to the synthetic methods, for both arsenic and antimony follows the same method, that is dibromobutane reacts with magnesium to form a Grignard reagent. This on reaction with metal dibromide. Metal is either arsenic or antimony, which gives an cyclic 5-membered cyclic compound, which is orsolane and stipulane. Coming to the second method, the same dibromobutane reacts with metal hydrides, that is either arsine or stibine. The lone pairs on metal which attacks this carbon with the elimination of a bromide ion, and again one more, and again the lone pairs on oxygen. Lone pairs on metal attacks this carbon with the elimination of bromide ion to form a cyclic compound, which is an orsolane or stipulane. And again in the third method, it goes through a free radical mechanism. A free radical on sodium attacks this bromide with which bond between C and Br breaks, and this attacks a metal with the subsequent elimination of bromide free radical to form a 5-membered cyclic heterocyclic compound, which is orsolane or stipulane. Coming to the next one, orsolene derivatives. This is containing one double bond either at the second position or at the third position. Synthetic methods. Dienes reacts with hexaphenyl arsine. We get 3 orsolane. This on heating we get 2 orsolane. These two will be in equilibrium. Coming to the next method, phenyl arsine undergoes cycloaddition reaction with pentadiene 3-one to give 1 phenyl 2 orsolene 4-one. This is pentadiene 3-one. This is a Michael double acceptor. Reacts with an phenyl arsine. This is an phenyl arsine to give 1 phenyl 2 orsolene 4-one. This is 4-one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hence 1 phenyl 2 orsolene and 4-one. Coming to the next one, orsol and stibol. These are the structures of orsol and stibol, which is an arsenic and antimony analog of pyrrole. Coming to the synthetic methods, tetraphenyl butadiene dilithium salts undergoes ring closure with arsenic or antimony bromide to give the corresponding tetraphenyl derivatives. This is an tetraphenyl butadiene dilithium salt reacts with metal dibromide. We get an ID substituted, that is 2, 3, 4, 5 tetraphenyl derivatives. This is an organolithium compound, that is this carbon possesses slightly negative charge which attacks this metal with the elimination of bromide ion, and again this is also an organolithium which has a slightly negative, this carbon possesses slightly negative charge which attacks this metal with the elimination of bromide ion. We get an 5-membered cyclic compound, which is either orsol if it is arsenic or stibol if it is antimony. Coming to the next method, 1,3-butadiene undergoes cycloaddition with phenyl arsine to give 2,5 substituted orsol. This is a reaction, that is lone pairs on arsenic attacks this carbon with the formation of an carbene ion. This carbene ion abstracts this hydrogen. It is attached to arsenic, and again the lone pairs on arsenic attacks this carbon with the formation of an carbene ion. This carbene ion attacks one more hydrogen which is attached to arsenic to form 1-phenyl 2,5 substituted arsole. Coming to the 6-membered ring systems containing one arsenic or one antimony atom. If it contains one arsenic compound, then it is called arsenane. If it contains one antimony, it is called antimonane. Coming to the synthetic methods, this is a Grignard reagent, reacts with metal dibromide to give arsenane and antimonane. This is 1,5-dibromopentane reacts with metal hydrides to give a cyclic compound which is an arsenane or antimonane. This follows a free radical mechanism, that is, a free radical on sodium abstracts this bromide and this bond attacks metal with the subsequent elimination of bromide in the form of NaBr salt. We get either arsenane if it is As, or we get antimonane if it is Sp. Coming to the next one, arsenine and antimonane. This is the structure of an antimonane which is similar to pyridine. This is the structure of antimonane. These are aromatic compounds. The degree of aromaticity generally increases with decrease in the size of the heteroatom. Coming to the synthetic methods, acrylonitrile extract of phenyl arsine undergoes cyclization on heating to give 1-amino 1,2,5,6 tetrahydro 1-phenyl arsenine 3-carbonitrile. This is acrylonitrile and reaction with phenyl arsine undergoes cyclization, that is, this triple bond attacks this carbon in which this hydrogen goes form imine. This on elimination, this on heating, hydrogen is eliminated to form a double bond, and this double bond which abstracts this hydrogen to form tetrahydro 1-phenyl arsenine derivative. Coming to the next method, 1,4-diene reacts with dibutyl tin hydride to give an intermediate dibutyl stannine, which further reacts with dibromoarsine or dibromostibine to give 1,4-dihydroarsine or 1,4-dihydroantimonanes. This is 1,4-diene reacts with dibutyl tin hydride. We get dibutyl stannine. This is an intermediate. This reacts with dibromoarsine or dibromostibine, which differs from this just M, that is a metal. If it is As, it is dibromoarsine. If it is Sb, it is dibromostibine. We get either 1,4-dihydroarsine if it is arsenic, or 1,4-dihydroantimonanes if it is antimonic. Coming to the next method, 4-hydroxyarsenine reacts with alkyl iodide to give 1-dihydroarsenine having a keto group in the 4th position. This is an hydroxyarsenine reacts with alkyl iodide, that is, lone pairs on oxygen shifts to form a double bond. This double bond shifts here, and this pi bond comes and attacks the alkyl group with the elimination of an iodide to form keto in the 4th position. Coming to the next method, arsenine 4-carbaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent to give 1,2-dihydroarsenine. This is arsenine 4-carbolide reacts with Grignard reagent. This in the Grignard reagent, R possesses a negative charge, attacks this metal with the shift of a double bond to form an oxonium ion, that is O negative. This O negative shifts again, takes up a proton. This step is an acidification. We get 1,2-dihydroarsenine, that is a double bond is missing, hence it is called 1,2-dihydroarsenine. Coming to the next method, 1,4-diene reacts with dibutyl tin hydride to give an intermediate dibutyl stannine, which further reacts with metal tribromide to replace tin atom. This on acidification gives arsenine or antimony. This is dibutyl tin hydride. This triple bond attacks this tin and the subsequent transfer of hydrogen here to form an intermediate dibutyl stannine. This on reaction with metal tribromide. Metal may be either arsenic or antimony, and subsequent acidification we get either arsenine or antimony. Coming to the last one, heterocycles containing bismuth. 5-membered ring systems containing one bismuth atom is called bismol. This is a bismuth analogous of pyrrole. That is, nitrogen in the pyrrole is replaced by bismol, hence it is called bismol. Replaced by bismuth. Coming to the synthetic methods, this is an lithium salt, that is tetraphenyl diene with dilithium salt reacts with phenyl dibromo bismuth. We get highly substituted bismol. And again, this dilithium salt reacts with dibutyl dibromotin, dibutyl tin dibromide. We get an intermediate dibutyl tin dibutyl stannine. This on reaction with phenyl dibromo bismuth, we get an again highly substituted pentaphenyl bismol. Coming to the next one, 6-membered ring systems containing one bismuth atom. This is bismine, this is bisminane. Synthetic methods, the Grignard reagent reacts with and dibromo bismuth, we get bisminane. In the next method, dibromo pentane reacts with bismuth hydrides, we get bisminane. That is, lone pairs on bismuth attacks this carbon, the elimination of bromide ion, and again they follows the same procedure for this, which forms a cyclic ring. And this is diene. This triple bond attacks tin, and this hydrogen shifts here and follows the same for this triple bond also to form dibutyl stannine. This on reaction with tribromo bismuth and subsequent acidification we get bismine. That is, in this reaction HBr is released. This is all about heterocycles containing phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. We'll see you in the next class with different topic. Thank you.